itself and as such is the culmination of the pilgrimage of a sadhak. This is called samadhi, and the experience gained therein is the experience of truth.
So this is a very simple way he showed what is samadhi. If somebody has learned to be in the present moment, he's in samadhi. I think it's such a beautiful, you don't need to sit and meditate for like years and years. He's telling you another technique that you can reach the samadhi, which is very simple one.
When you become fully aware of the moment in itself and such as such. I was just rereading the.
Yeah, it's very powerful. Yes.
Very good.
And they have that person has Eckhart Tolle has that book, Power of Now. That's exactly what it is. The present moment power kitna hai usme. Because the God only resides over there, or Brahman is right there.
Yeah. Nachiketa, now it is clear, must have spent many days and nights pondering constantly upon the happenings about and around him, as well as those within him. The all-witnessing presence of divinity, the prompter, the controller, and the regulator of our memories and yearnings, in short, the recognizer of the future and the past, the Atman in us, is the theme indicated by the gesture.
So he's just telling कि अब तक वो इस conclusion पे बस पहुंच गया कि है और मुझे वो जानना है, because he was waiting over there for the 3 nights. He did not, जैसे और कोई होता ना regular, तो वो सारा time वो कर्सिका में आया वो तो है ही नहीं. No, he was actually he got so much out in those 3 days because he went into his own mananam and meditation and all that in those 3 days.
Supremely self-confident of his own perfect book knowledge, Shastra Gyan, Nachiketa is certainly warning Lord Death not to repeat what the Shastras have already stated or what he has already heard from his own Guru, but to expound upon that which Lord Death is seeing. Yat tat
Pashyasi.
Pashyasi, yat tat pashyasi, जो तुम देख रहे हो.
हाँ, right.
It means, on the whole, that Lord Death is to discourse upon his own subjective experience of truth.
So वो उनसे डिमांड कर रहा है कि मेरे को आप जो एक्सपीरियंस करें वो मुझे बताओ. And we have discussed that. Not जो शास्त्र बोल रहे हैं, but directly from you.
Thank you for letting me read this. I really enjoyed reading this.
Good. You can do that more often. There's no problem. So we went a little over, but that's okay because we are still here till 1. So I'm gonna any burning question on this? A comment or want to add anything? Please do if you have. This is a pretty heavy subject. It gave us a lot of masala to contemplate upon. Lot, right?
This after this subject is to ask question within.
Yes. Yeah, that's what it is because it's a subjective journey, no? That's why.
Now I have a question.
Oh, sure.
Now the question is that how to. It's just my question.
Yeah, sure.
Like how to be present. What is the method for our like people like us? How to be present?
So, since we did Bhagavad Gita, there are some very, very beautiful verses and I can send them to you. Very simply put, what Krishna Bhagwan says is focus on your duty. And that way, it, likes and dislikes don't matter over there. And one of the very important thing that Swamiji told all the children also when they graduate, we give them a plaque. And it says over there, put your mind where your hands are. जो तुम काम कर रहे हो ना उसमें बस खो जाओ उसको बोलते हैं प्रेजेंट होना. वो टाइम पे इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि तुम प्लानिंग ना करो. प्लानिंग करने का टाइम अलग होता है. तुमने एक बार जब प्लान कर लिया ना तो जब काम कर रहे हो तो तुम पास्ट और फ्यूचर मत सोचो. और वो द सेम थिंग लाइक कर्म फल की चिंता जो बोलते हैं ना कि डोंट वरी अबाउट द कर्म फल. दैट्स व्हाट इट मीन्स. While working, not to have your mind on the result. That's why it's called prasada buddhi. रिजल्ट इज इन हैंड्स ऑफ गॉड. जो भी आएगा संसार की दृष्टि से बुरा भी हो सकता है, मेरे लिए बुरा नहीं होगा, बिकॉज मेरे भगवान ने मुझे रिजल्ट दिया है. अगर वो एटीट्यूड से करेंगे ना तो फिर हमारी दृष्टि नहीं होती. देयर आर मेनी टेक्निक्स. पूरा कर्म योग का टेक्निक ही वो है जो आप पूछ रहे हो ना, वही है 100%. हम लोग चिंता कब करते हैं? या तो हम लोग बोलते हैं ओ ऐसा हुआ था पास्ट में, अभी ऐसा क्यों नहीं है, वगैरह वगैरह. है ये हो जाएगा, वो हो जाएगा, वो फ्यूचर हो गया. जब वो दोनों बंद कर देंगे तो अपने प्रेजेंट हो जाएगा. दिस सिंपली पुट, यू नो.
No, we have to be simple.
Yeah.
The simple language understand us. Complicated doesn't go in our mind, especially right now.
Not simple. We can't say simple. Here is like, as I tell in my yoga class, that suppose you are tensing your left calf and forearm. You can do that by thinking about something else and still you are tensing, but you are not mindful. So you should be mindful what you're doing. So your mind and body should be there. Your attention should be there. Whatever you do, that's living in the present moment.
So there is one more very important point about that, you know, and I understand where Sheila ji is coming from, that in simple words, you know, how to do this, because I think like you, Sheila ji, that okay, इतने बड़े बड़े शास्त्र ये सब है, पर एंड में तो वो मेरे को सिंप्लिसिटी चाहिए ना. मैं क्या करूँ इससे मैं आगे बढ़ूँ, राइट? लेकिन जब हम लोग बोलते हैं ना कि अपनी ड्यूटी करो वगैरह, तो वो ड्यूटी के पहले ये भी मालूम होना चाहिए कि ड्यूटी क्या है. गलत काम पकड़ लो और उसमें प्रेजेंट मोमेंट में रहो, वो भी नुकसान कर सकता है. So there is a prerequisite of coming to that point also, which is mentioned in Bhagavad Gita in very much detail, that, you know, what is your duty, you first understand that and then you focus on that. So ये नहीं कि कोई भी बुरा भी काम, कोई चोर भी बोलेगा ओ मैं तो चोरी कर रहा हूँ, मेरा पूरा ध्यान उसमें है, तो उसको फायदा नहीं होने वाला. लेकिन तेजो मेनन जी ने एक जगह बोला था, अगर चोर भी पूरा प्रेजेंट मोमेंट में करेगा ना, बहुत अच्छे से चोरी करेगा वो, उसका काम तो सफल हो जाएगा, उसका फल उसको बुरा मिलेगा, एंड देन ही विल नॉट हैव अ स्पिरिचुअल प्रोग्रेस बिकॉज हिज इंटेंशन वाज बैड. सो इंटेंशन आल्सो काउंट्स. सो व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट being in a present moment, there is a lot that goes before it. We should not forget it. That's all I'm saying. You know? After we have done all that, उसके बाद तुम present moment में focus करो.
And अगर हम before also we were at the present moment, then we won't do the wrong things. जब हम thought process में है, उस time भी अगर हम we are working, we are present there, then we can have good thoughts and we can go in details, pros and cons of that. So if we are in the present moment at every stage of the action, before, after, and during and after, you know what I mean?
Well, what I'm trying to say is that for everything that you want to do, there is a period that you do think about past and future, and that's okay to do. That's in the planning stages. Okay, nobody's saying that do action which is going to give you bad result or don't learn from your past experience. They are not telling you that. But what they are saying is, एक बार तुमने वो सब decide कर लिया, अब तुम actually काम करते time तुम result के बारे में ना सोचो. That's what it means being in the present moment. So we have to take this present moment also with some intelligence, you know, and that's all I'm saying. So what I want to do is I want to close the class here, and then we will stay another 20 minutes to do whatever topic you want. Even same topic we can continue. Sarva dharman parityajya mamekam sharanam vraja aham tva sarva papebhyah moksha ishyami ma shuchah. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om.
I wanted to tell you something.
Thank you.
How to be in present moment.
Oh, thank you very much. Yeah, please. That will help me a lot.
Which helps me bring your current, bring the mother current in you. What is a mother current? When we are full of love, when we are full of awareness, when we are just bring that current which gives us joy, nothing else.
Oh, I see.
So how you do that? You know, you just, this is very, very, like, very interesting thing. I'm experimenting with all those in my day-to-day life. What is that? You expand within and bring that happiness within. Sometimes, like, you know, ये कई बार त्योड़ियां पड़ जाती हैं, तो it means our current is here. So
Right.
त्योड़ियों को हटा के go deeper, go under, open up. And as you open up, you come to the present moment and you feel that love and presence and happiness. And when you have that, then you live in the present moment. Whatever you are doing, you enjoy that. I don't know whether it helped you or not.
Oh, I will try. I'm a person who likes to try everything. Whatever that can help me, I stick to that thing. Then one of the things that helps me in my life is I try to concentrate on my breath. Like doing anything, doing my puja or doing my things or walking here and there. That helps me to be in the present moment.
Yeah, that's a very powerful technique. All the different people, they will tell you that if somebody is looking for a technique to start, sitting quietly and being in present moment, that is the technique. And you know why? Because when you breath happens only in the present moment. And when you are concentrating on the breath, you're not thinking, because past and future ne abhi jo ho raha hai, jo breath hai. So it's a very, very scientific thing. So I want to ask other people who never talk. Asha ji, kuch boliye.
Yeah, I was
Pariprashnena.
thinking of one thing. Yeah, I was thinking of one thing, during all this discussion that was going on, that whenever we are in the present, even when we are doing any action, we have several choices. And the ability to choose, to make our priorities straight. What should I do first? What is most important in day-to-day life? I think that also comes from wisdom.
Yeah, true.
Discretion. From a, choice. There's a choice. There are three things you can do. What is the most important? That I think is the ability to do that is very important and helps you.
So the only thing that I have, one comment I have, that's a very good thing that you brought out. So अपने प्लानिंग स्टेज में हम लोग होते हैं, राइट? उसमें हमने प्लान कर लिया, समझो कि भाई मुझे ये करना है, वो करना है, कर दिया. कभी कभी लाइफ में क्या होता है, हमारी प्लानिंग चलती नहीं है. हाँ, कि मैंने सोचा कि मैं ये काम करूंगी और कोई मेहमान आ गया मेरे घर में.
नहीं तो फिर उस वक्त वो प्रायोरिटी हो गई ना.
Right. So as long as I'm just as it is true.
लिस्ट ऑफ चॉइसेस थी वो बदल गई एकदम.
बदल गई. उसके लिए
आ गया.
राइट, उसके लिए तैयार होना चाहिए. और एक बहुत दृष्टांत बहुत अच्छा वाला है कि किसी ने गुरु को पूछा कि सबसे अच्छा समय कौन सा है, सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट व्यक्ति कौन सा है, सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट काम क्या है. तो गुरु ने ना बड़ा विजडम वाला जवाब दिया. बोला कि जो तुम्हारे सामने अभी बैठा है वो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट आदमी है. ये समय सबसे ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है. सामने जो काम पड़ा है वो सबसे ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है. उसको बोलते हैं प्रेजेंट मोमेंट में आना.
बिल्कुल. सामने आपका फ्रेंड है और आप उससे बात करते हैं, अपनी ईमेल चेक कर रहे हैं.
राइट.
कहाँ गई प्रायोरिटी?
So I think you already have that thing. So that's what I wanted to say, that that's what it's called being in the present moment, because it's like a surrender to God also. कि okay, मैंने सब प्लान किया, but God wants me to attend to this fellow first right now. So,
very true.
Yeah.
Very true.
So
very true.
those
Agree.
things. Yeah. And Uma ji never asked any question. Are you there?
I am here. I just try to listen everything, and I'm observing, where I'm wrong, where I'm right, So I like to hear it, even sometimes you tell a lot of things, and Joginder ji and Kamala ji, I hear everybody, Meena ji, that what they are saying, I should have in me, those things. But I'm not anywhere yet.
No, all of us are. Don't worry. All of us are on the journey, and nobody. We don't worry about कौन आगे कौन पीछे, because वो status बहुत जल्दी बदल सकता है, उमा जी. You know?
ये है ही नहीं. We are where we are.
I know.
इसमें कोई आगे पीछे नहीं है, किसी के साथ कोई कंपटीशन नहीं है. ये तो हमारी अपनी जर्नी है.
नहीं, मैं ये कहती हूँ, you people are a lot of knowledgeable, and it's good that I joined this one, and I can hear all those things, then I think myself, what I'm doing wrong or what is right. I should be like that. So I enjoy everything.
No, good that you said that, because that's a good point. We all are doing exactly thing, and like this morning I also मैंने बहुत 2-3 चीजें जो सुनी ना, मैं usually योगा करते टाइम सुनती हूँ. YouTube में they give you different things sometimes, because they go according to what you like, and they suggest few things, right? So there was the book came out on karma, which of Sadhguru, right? Because अपना ये क्या नाम है इसका, Manju Sikri, she's a devotee of Sadhguru, so she always sends us, and she send many things about that karma. So there is a discussion of that book between Deepak Chopra and Sadhguru about that book. So he said a very important thing about that book. He said this book, the way I have written the book on karma, is such that with one reading you're going to get very minimum stuff in it. You have to read it many times, and each person will get something different out of it. Number one. And the same person, if he reads it now versus he reads it 5 years later or 20 years later, he's going to get a different thing. And Bhagavad Gita is exactly like that. There is no way on this earth that by one reading we're going to get anything. We have to read it multiple times, all our life, and each time it's like a Mahasagar. You will keep getting jewels from the same verse. And you sometimes it will happen to you, wow, this is what it meant. And my own teacher used to say that to us, that even now at that age and that experience also, she's getting more out of it every time she's reading it.
I believe in karma, and sometimes I just think myself, I should not do that, because you will, whatever you do, you get back.
True. Whatever, and I think that's a very powerful thing, that yet if you know, then log galat kaam karenge hi nahi, because it will come and slap you in your face. Yeah, true. और प्रेम जी ने कुछ नहीं बोला. Are you there, Prem ji?
Yes, I am there. I am there.
बोलिए.
There's so much to learn. I'm not close enough. बहुत टाइम लगेगा सब कुछ ज्ञान आने में.
एक दिन में ऐसा पलटी खाएंगे आप, फिर आप बोलेंगे कि oh, I got it.
I wish that happened.
Oh, it is gonna happen.
I wish that happens.
You never know. It's like a switch. It will turn on one day and you will be all illuminated.
I hope so. कमला आपकी संगति में रह के कुछ तो समझ आएगा.
That's we all pray for that. कि वो खोल दे बस भगवान, वो एक light on कर दे बस. That's all we want.
So the Shastra says that तुम्हारा काम है अपने आप को तैयार करते जाओ, और फिर grace of God आएगा. When you deserve it, he's not going to wait, because he is more eager than us.
Yes.
That's what somebody was saying, कि वो जो मैं NDE के shows देखती हूँ ना, he's saying कि we think कि हमको God चाहिए. God को तो आप बहुत ज़्यादा चाहिए.
अभी तो
he's waiting for you. हाँ?
एक गोल बना रखा है बस, और वो गोल क्या है कि बस मुझे तो मुस्कुराते रहना है और सब कुछ भगवान संभालता रहेगा.
Very good.
That's very good. Actually, very good.
Mm-hmm.
And you do.
And I do. I really do. Whatever comes, whatever happens, let it happen. My aim is just to keep smiling. Let God handle it.
Yep, that's the surrender we are talking about. If in the karma yoga, that's what it is. Ishwar Arpan and Prasada Buddhi, those are two very powerful things. सो अगर कोई दुनिया की नज़रों में बोलेगा ओ माय गॉड कुछ हो गया, ये हो गया, वो हो गया, कोई मर गया, कोई पैदा हो गया, ये हो गया, वो हो गया, दैट्स ऑल इन द रिलेटिव टर्म.
Can everybody do that right now? That can you all smile right now and
I
just
think everybody is smiling.
yeah.
I don't see anybody dukhi over here.
नहीं दुखी नहीं है, दुखी होना और real smile चेहरे पे आना, these are two different things.
इनमें से अच्छा आइडिया है कि we can try let's be happy today only.
नहीं जब भी शीशे में देखो ना ये सोच लॉटरी लग गया आज तो.
एक्चुअली लॉटरी लगने वालों को पूछो कि क्या होता है उनका, अगर जो बिना कमाई किए जब मिलता है ना सामान,
लॉटरी है,
बहुत दुखी होते हैं वो लोग.
लॉटरी में टेंशन नहीं है पैसे का, क्या करेंगे, क्या होगा, वो सब ड्रीम्स नहीं है उसमें, तो जस्ट खुशी रहने का बहाना है.
मेरा खुशी रहने का बहाना है. 1 मिनट के लिए तो खुशी आएगी ना जब लॉटरी निकलेगी, बाद में जो होगा तो होगा.
ओके, आज है ना सभी लोग कुछ ना कुछ बोलेंगे. सो सुशील जी एंड अनिल जी अभी तक चुप हैं, तो वो भी कुछ बोलेंगे अभी. बोलिए.
अनिल जी तो आशा जी बैठी है ना पास में.
नहीं आशा जी पास में नहीं, अगले कमरे में है. राइट, यू नो अभी ये जूम में ये अच्छा है कि एवरीबडी इज ऑन देयर ओन थिंग.
Yeah,
Okay.
we are, you know.
सुशील जी.
We tried doing it together. That this was better.
Yeah, true.
ज्यादा आपको ध्यान से सुनते हैं हम.
हाँ तो अनिल जी बोलिए कुछ अभी सब.
या अनिल जी आप बोलिए.
I have a question. When Nachiketa says to Yamraj, tell me what you see. So, and also I've read that bookish knowledge is not enough for self-realization. You have to find a guru. So does it mean that what the guru sees cannot be described in any shastras?
It cannot be described fully, and when you say see, meaning it's not the physical seeing, huh? So we should be,
No, but
yeah,
you know.
yeah, right. So just wanted to clarify that. So remember there was a statement that we read, I think it was in Swamiji's commentary, that the truth defined is truth defiled. And then he gave that example of laddu that you really loved, that example. Remember that?
Yes.
Two classes away कि लड्डू खा लो तो किसको कैसे समझाओ लड्डू क्या चीज है. बिल्कुल वही प्रिंसिपल है इसमें कि what guru does for us is, Anil ji, he takes us to a point that you will experience it yourself. That's all the guru's job is. Guru can only describe to a certain point, and that's why there are different ways that the guru का role बताया गया है कि भाई गुरु जो है ना, he lights the path but you have to walk on it. So what guru's job is guidance, GPS, guru positioning system. तू ये गलत कर रहा है, तू ये सही कर रहा है करके, ऐसे वो जॉब है गुरु का. जो एक्चुअल एक्सपीरियंस है वह गुरु भी नहीं दे सकता, वो तुमको खुद ही लेना पड़ेगा.
And one more clarification which we heard today is we don't need to search for guru. Just prepare ourselves and guru will find you.
Yeah, the God will send the guru basically. That's what they told us. You know, जब हम लोग बोलते हैं भगवान सब जगह हैं और भगवान सब, you know, त्रिकालदर्शी है और सब कुछ देखते हैं, तो भगवान को नहीं मालूम क्या तुमको क्या चाहिए. वो छप्पर फाड़ के भेजेगा तुम्हारे लिए. You know, like when we moved to Houston, like sometime my husband say, how did I go from California to Houston? What was I thinking? You know, because he loves California so much. Job के लिए गए, and it's like that's where I found Chinmay Mission too. So you know what I'm saying? God knows who's going to come from where and what. You know, and sometimes क्या होता है अनिल जी, same person जो है ना तुम्हारे सामने खड़ा है और तुम कनेक्ट नहीं होते हो, और वही तुम्हारा गुरु बन जाता है 15 साल के बाद, because it's like now you are ready. That's why. So when it comes to this thing, that's what happens.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, now Sushil ji. You can give us some wisdom, Sushil ji. You also read a lot.
उसमें है मीना जी बैठी.
मीना कोई ना.
कमरे में पर आसर फिर भी है.
This portal over here has nothing to do with a husband-wife relationship. We are all here one.
I'm just joking. trying to bring smile on Sushilji's face.
Yeah, that's what to talk about. I said Kamlaji's question, saying about smiling all the time. I think it's much more easier for ladies to smile all the time. somehow it comes natural to them, whereas for men, they have to really try to smile, unless there's something really to smile about. One thing, and the other one about the guru comes to you. I don't know why we are talking about that, because all of us are here because what is guru? Who is teaching you something worth, which is spiritual. Umaji is doing that for all of us. So she found all of us here. So take it like that. That's the guru. We don't need to look for somebody else at different point.
Wow.
That's too big of a status you're giving me. For me, this book said Swamiji is the guru.
Maybe a bigger guru or maybe a smaller guru, but the guru is guru. You are teaching us, so that's what it is. For the time being, you are the guru. So don't need to look for somebody else. When she has exhausted all hers and we have understood that if we are ready for some higher one, that will come too.
Logical thinking, that's good.
That's what the difference is between smiling and...
But now you every time you look at the mirror, you say men can smile too.
No, it doesn't work.
Okay, there's one man in this whole universe who is a epitome of smiling, and that's Lord Krishna. They said, in fact, किसी ने अपने में डाला अभी, I think it was one of you sent that, जिसमें उसने बोला कि कृष्ण भगवान का सब कुछ छिन गया उनसे, लेकिन वो हमेशा मुस्कुराते ही रहे. नीलू जी sent, right? Very sweet one. It's a very short one. 1 minute का वीडियो है. किसी ने बोला जब वो पैदा हुए तो उनके माँ बाप छूट गए उससे, right? फिर वो गोकुल में गए तो उनको गोकुल छोड़ना पड़ा. फिर गोकुल से मथुरा आ गए, मथुरा छोड़ना पड़ा. वहां से फिर वो द्वारका भी चली गई पानी में बाद में. तो anyway, and then राधा छूट गई उनसे. Radha, he loved Radha so much. Radha छूट गई उनसे. Physical world में, obviously, not in the spiritual world. But means everything he drop, and he's moving forward. But he's always in the present, smiling. So true. But I think that what Sushil ji, basically what it is that तुम्हारा मन मुस्कुराना चाहिए. ये physical outside is just a show. Some people can be thinking, that sometimes you meet somebody and he करेंगे, अंदर कुछ और सोच रहे हैं, so we're not talking about that. It's like मन मुस्कुराना चाहिए अंदर से. That's the main thing.
If मन और बाहर भी दोनों तरफ हो जाए तो और भी बढ़िया है.
Usually जब मन अच्छा तभी और true smile.
मुस्कुराएगा तो आँखों से छिप नहीं सकता, फिर वो अपने आप चेहरे पे दिखाई देगा.
Yeah.
Right. You're right.
Yeah. And the problem is this, Kamla ji. कभी ना हम लोग ये डुअलिटी से ऊपर उठना नहीं चाहते हैं. जरूरी नहीं है कि हर आदमी हर समय मुस्कुराता ही रहे. रोने के टाइम पे रो भी लो. That's also very healthy. There's absolutely nothing wrong with shedding tears if you're feeling sad. In fact, scientifically speaking, it is better because the emotions बह जाते हैं. अगर कोई बुरा लग रहा है और जबरदस्ती हंसने की कोशिश करे, I'm just talking from a truth point of view. It sounds very good, keep being happy and all, but in reality, sad and happy is part of life. Embrace both because you have to rise above both. That's the wisdom that I'm getting from Bhagavad Gita. So when people say, oh, I want to smile the whole time, we may be forcing ourselves to smile when we don't need to smile at that moment.
No, actually, that's not the case. You cannot smile all the time and you cannot force yourself to smile all the time. It's like you have to work very hard internally. You can smile only when you are internally more awakened, when you are internally trying to be more deep, trying to go more deeper. So when we say smile all the time, that's a part of connecting ourselves whatever the circumstances come, you still control and hold them. You can control your own self, and you can still smile. Very deep thing, but yes.
I think what is the same, coming to the same point, you're talking about more from the heart, what is inside. And like somebody, it is Sarvpriya Nanji was saying that physically what you see is not what somebody is internally, right? So he's saying that one of the great swamis from his order, he said he was like having a lot of pain, and because he has a cancer or something, and he was on his deathbed, and so he's like moaning and groaning and all that, and other people are getting disturbed. So he's telling them, don't worry, I'm moaning and groaning because my body is in pain. That doesn't mean that I'm unhappy inside. Outside I'm screaming in pain and not smiling and all that. That doesn't mean. So I think that's what you are pointing at. So not necessarily that outside, if you're crying, means you're not together inside. That's the point I think you're trying to make. Okay, I think kind of time up. Anybody has any last wisdom want to share?
Umaji, when you talk about Swami Sarvpriyanandaji, it's about the same thing. But this younger Swami goes to him and says, "Oh, you are in pain, so much pain." No, he said, "I'm in pain," and then the younger Swami said, "But I don't think so. You look so happy." He says, "You rascal, you caught me." That's the words he used.
Yes.
"You rascal, you caught me," because he was really not, the body's in pain, but I am not.
Right. I think that's the message.
Yeah. So I've heard his lectures 2-3 times, different types. He's given the same, example in that.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
One thing, Umaji, can I say?
Boliye.
I've been thinking all my life that I don't have Guruji. How people have Guruji, but now I think I found you.
Oh my goodness. I think Sushil ji has started some. See, that the way I look at it, I am purely doing what Chinmaya Mission, whatever I have learned. I'm just passing it on to all of you. And it is a God's wish that all of us, study this together. So God is a guru. That's why we do one day, Krishna Bhagwan ko bola rahe Jagat Guru hum log maan rahe hain.
No, he is, but people have, Guru. I never had any Guru. So I was just thinking, now you are the one, I found you.
And like Sushil ji said, when we need some other person, he's going to send for all of us.
Right.
And we have such great commentaries of Chinmayanand, who has done so much sadhana and he has brought it out. And then whoever is not on our other groups, maybe get on with it, because sometimes people do send. Sometimes people send things that we don't care about, but others are real gems also. It comes through this Upanishad and this group, and I appreciate all of you sending, because I'm also learning from it quite a bit. So anything very nice, do share it with everybody, But
I appreciate and thank you.
Thank you so much, everybody. Stay healthy and happy.
मुस्कुराते रहो, हंसते रहो.
Thank you.
नेक्स्ट टाइम मिलते हैं.
अच्छा, नेक्स्ट टाइम पे सब लोग है ना, जरूर एक बार तो मुस्कुरा देना इनके लिए.
सुशील जी और अनिल जी शीशे में देख के कहो, I can smile too. Yes.
Okay, Hari Om, everyone.
Hari Om.
Everybody have a good day.
Thank you.
Good day, good week.